Hi, the Budgies. Hi, Bubbles. Oh, look at Luna and Charlotte. They're so close, like Budgies cute. Hi, Budgies. Oh, these guys are in love, huh, Baba? See, Baba, you're in love? Are these Budgies in love? Oh, Baba. Hi, Luna. Hi, Nemo. Are you guys happy? Are you guys happy with the new living place that I have for you? Mommy made all this big room for you so you can fly and play. Right now, Budgies are tired. They're just resting and they're flying and flying. Hi, Toby. Hi, Toby. Hi, guys. Hi, Budgies. Pretty birds. Mommy needs to clean these cages. Oh, my goodness. Hi, Cookie. Yeah, Lucy's on this cage. What are you doing over there? Huh? Lucy? Aren't you supposed to be with Cookie? Cookie, why are you out, Babash? Come on, Cookie. Get inside. Lucy's inside, look. Hi. Lucy, Cookie's calling you. Lucy, Cookie's calling you. Oh, Cookie, you're calling Lucy? Lucy, go to Cookie. He's calling you. Don't you want to go and say hi to Cookie? Go. Go to Cookie. See, he's up. He's calling you. She's looking up. Come on, Lucy. Cookie's calling you. Get inside, Cookie. Go to Lucy. Hi, Baba. Get inside, Baba. Cookie's over here. Lucy's over here. Come on, Cookie. Lucy's here. Lucy. What are you doing, silly? He's gonna go. He's gonna go for Lucy. Oh, Cookie, you're so cute. Looking for Lucy, huh? And Toby is with Sunny. Everybody is with Sunny. Go to Toby. Sunny, Lucy belongs to Cookie. It's afternoon nap. Hi, Toby. Hi, Sunny. This is awesome. I don't close their cages anymore. They can fly free. Anytime they want. See, they like to go to different cages. Lucy. She's dancing. She's copying Cookie. Hi, Nemo. Hi, Boba. Leave them alone, Nemo. They're flirting. Leave them alone, Nemo. Nemo, leave them alone, okay? Not nice, Nemo. Leave them alone, Baba. No, Nemo. Nemo, what are you doing? Cookie's gonna get mad at you, Nemo. Ay, chiquitos. Hi, Budgies. They're sleeping. Luna, Toby, Charlotte are taking their nap, and Sunny as well. While these guys are playing. Hi, Nemo. Do you want me to change the light for you guys? So you can, let's see if I can change it, okay? Where is it at? Oh, it's all the way over there. It's fine, I can do it. Let's see. They like this light. They like the light. You like the light? Huh? Look at the light. It's nice, huh? Hi, Cookie. Birdie, birdie. Hi, Papa. Wee, wee. You like it? Again? More? Wee. Sorry, I did it strong. I'm sorry, Babash. Wee. Everybody's resting. Nap time, so I'm gonna leave them alone so they can take their nap. All of them are napping right now. Thank you guys for watching Budgies videos. Where are you going, Cookie? They love to take naps together. Cookie, you're gonna wake up everybody. She goes inside the house. She's like, I'm going inside my little house. Okay, guys, thank you for watching the Budgies live. Have a nice and beautiful day. And thank you for watching the new upgrade of this Budgies huge room that I made for them. Beautiful. And I have over there the air purified for them. Thank you.